This.
That's a road roller.
A roll.
Yeah.
This.
This is a tanker.
This.
A concrete mixer or cement mixer.
A semi-mixer.
That's right.
This.
A logger truck.
No, this.
That's a logger truck.
No, this.
These are logs. See, these are logs? And this is the logger truck.
Log. Oh, this.
Tow truck.
Tea truck.
That's right. Look at this. Milk truck.
Muck. Truck.
Yeah.
And this.
Bulldozer.
And this.
Dump truck.
And this.
Which one?
This.
You know what this is.
Yeah.
Excavator.
A baby.
That's
The
right.
hood around you and dig dirt.
That's right. What about this one right here?
Huh?
That's a forklift.
A foot.
Yeah.
Things.
Hey, you know what this is right here?
Huh?
It's a tractor.
A tractor.
Tractor.
And this.
That's a mobile crane.
More king.
Yeah.
This baby. Go away.
There's a tow truck. See the tow truck?
It's a tree truck.
That's right.
Things. This.
What about this right here? It's a road sweeper.
Oh, sleepy.
Yeah.
Us.
Look at this one. This is a mail van.
Maven. And
Yeah.
this.
Oh, that's an ice cream van.
And this.
Where?
This.
The road sweeper.
Oh, sleepy. I get with a.
What's this one? What's that? What is it?
Is it?
Can you tell me? It's a garbage truck. Hey, look at this. Look at this one. That's a scooter.
A go.
Scooter.
This.
Tanker.
This.
Motor truck.
Motor truck.
Yeah. Do you want to turn the page?
This.
What do you see?
No, a fire truck.
You see a fire truck? What's What's this?
No, a helicopter.
Yeah, there is a helicopter. A yellow. That's an ambulance. There's two different kinds of ambulances: a yellow one and an orange one.
No, this.
Let's see. Oh, this one right here? SWAT vehicle.
For a Lego.
Yeah.
Helicopter. Which one's a helicopter?
Yeah, this is a rescue helicopter.
Let's do helicopter.
That's right.
You fire
You see-
over this.
This is a police helicopter.
A big helicopter.
Yeah. Can you see? This one is a police horse.
A piece horse.
Yeah. This one is a hospital ship.
A ship.
That's right. Hey, sit down. You see, this one's a police boat. Police boat.
Is it good?
Police boat.
This.
Do you want to turn the page? You want to do a different page? Here, wait, go back. I think we skipped some pages. Oh, look at these. What are these?
Pen.
Airplanes, right?
And blue.
Yeah.
And
Here's a
blue.
private jet.
This.
What is this? Look at this. A UFO.
This. This good.
This right here? This is an airplane.
This.
That's a satellite.
I see what.
Yeah.
And
It goes in
this,
outer
this.
space. This is a biplane.
This.
Biplane.
And this. This.
Oh.
This.
Cargo plane.
A cool plane. This.
The blue one?
Blue one.
It's an airship.
Airship.
Yeah.
And this.
Cargo plane.
Double plane.
Look at this. You know what that is?
A rocket.
It is a rocket. Yeah, that's a rocket.
Yes. A big rocket.
Yeah, do you like rockets? Yeah? Daddy likes rockets too. Hey, wait, let's see. Oh, what about this? What is that? It's a jetpack.
A jetpack.
Yeah, you wear it on your back and you can fly around.
Fun around.
You better sit down, Bubba. You'll fall.
This.
Yeah, those aren't ready to eat yet. Okay, should we try another? Oh, what about this? This is a hang glider. Look at this. Hot air balloon. You want to go back another page? I think you skipped another one. Let's go back one more. Oh. Oh, what's this? What is it? Submarine, that's right.
A boat.
Yeah.
A boat seed.
Yeah.
It's this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we learned what this one was a minute ago. Is that a jet ski?
A jet ski.
That's right. Do you want to ride on a jet ski?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too. Looks like fun. This is a seaplane.
Seaplane.
It lands on the water. Here's a steamboat. See the steam coming out the top? That's a steamboat.
There's a big rice boat.
Yeah. This is a fishing boat.
A fishing boat. The baby one submarine.
Yeah. Oh, here's a little submarine. It's a mini submarine.
A mini submarine.
That would be just the right size for you, wouldn't it? A mini submarine. Look at this. It's a pirate ship. Yeah, the pirates ride on them. They're like, "Arr, matey!"
A matey.
Here, get off the counter, Bub. Sit down. Hey, sit down so you don't fall. Thank you. Here's a water taxi.
A water taxi.
Yeah, it's like a regular taxi, but it takes you around on the water.
Boom, boom, boom.
What about this one? Windsurfing board. Sit down, Bubba. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, please. Hey, sit down. Come on, sit. Kaden, we're gonna sit down. Gotta be careful. You don't want to fall, get a boo-boo. This is a cargo ship.
A cargo ship?
Yeah, that's the ship.
This.
That's this one right here. That's a canoe.
Boot.
Do you want to ride a canoe?
I want a canoe.
Okay. All right, Bubba. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.